Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to blur photo in Instagram story. So let's get into it. First of all, open the Instagram app. Click the plus icon, then select story from the option. Take a photo or upload a photo from your camera roll by swiping up. Once the photo is uploaded, scroll to the right until you can see the browse effects. Tap on it, then search for blur effects. It will give you a lot of options to choose from. Once you are satisfied with the blurring, you can add text, stickers, or other effects to your story and then post it. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.